Hello, in this video we will download and install new TIA Portal V21. Then we will create simple PLC and HMI software just to show you the interface. At the end of the video, we will go through some new features available in new TIA Portal version. Let's start. TIA Portal can be downloaded from Siemens website. You will find here links for additional software too. Link to download is below in description. You can download and test it without license for 21 days. Double-click on downloaded file to open. Click Open. Window will open. Click Start File. TIA Portal is starting. For default settings, just follow the video. When installation is finished, we can open TIA Portal. We got this pop-up now. I don't remember seeing it in previous versions of TIA. I just use standard diagnostics reporting. First window looks the same like older TIA Portal versions. We can create now new project. We added PLC with all setting excluding security as we do not need that for testing. Let's add WinC Unified HMI. We will activate 21 days trial as we did for PLC. We added IP addresses to our devices. Now we will create HMI connection. We now ready to create simple logic to start and stop the motor. We will use HMI buttons to start and stop motor. Best practice is to reset HMI commands in PLC instead of using set reset on HMI. We need to start our PLCSim PLC. We set adapter to local as I use only my laptop to simulate PLC. Activate license for 21 days. It gives us an error, but it will work for duration of trial. Now we can download our program to PLC. We got error during download. Because we have new project, we have to select in properties that we want to use it for simulation. Create new screen. We adding 2 buttons and text to display motor status. We added buttons, and for motor running indication, we will use text list. It will tell us when motor is running or stopped. Download failed here. It is because password is not set. We don't need it, so I will disable it. Let's test our unified HMI and PLC program. All works fine. When motor is running text changes. What's new in Step 7 V21 then? Few changes, mainly to version control structure. Export of blocks is more human-readable, comprehensible, and easily modifiable. That enables compatibility across various TIA Portal versions. Easy change tracking via external compare tools and code repositories. This is example of exported code. Source code only, no internal meta information. Let's see how version control files look like in our example. I set ladder and FBD blocks to export in new format instead of XML. If we go to the storage location, we can open each file and see hot it looks like. This is how this FB with simple logic looks like as exported format. This new representation ensures easy use with external tools, e.g. Git, Beyond Compare, and code generators. TIA Portal V21 provides the possibility to retain the actual values when download is performed with any structural changes in data block. For example, let's add a new parameter to our data block. You can see that actual values are different than set points. During download, we are asked to keep actual values. As you can see, we did not overwrite existing actual values. Next, NVTs, since V19 user can create within software units data types with named values. Now, during online actions like monitoring and trace, we display the values such as the defined and meaningful names. And some other improvements. No PLC synchronization after a multi-user check-in and refresh from the project server anymore. Filter for block interface in global search and NV comments as a tooltip. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss the next episode. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.